Hi students, today let us discuss 3rd class English Bridging Gap Activity 1 Worksheet 4. Here, observe the picture and write 5 words about it. Once you see the picture, what is going on this picture? A girl is skipping and the boys are playing cricket. 2 boys are running. Here also they running. Ouch! They are playing football. These boys are playing running. One boy is playing with ball, and a girl is watching the children, and another girl is made a sand house. She is making sand house, and here one boy is there. He is also, maybe the 2 boys are playing with this ball. Okay, you observe this picture and write the 5 words. 5 words. Once you told the 5 words, they all are playing. What are they? All are playing. Playing. They all are children. Children. Okay. Next. What are the things? What are the things? Ball. What is this? Sand house. And wickets are there. I wrote these words. This is a park, a tree, building, wall. So many things are there. We can write only 5 things. What are there? Playing, children, ball, sand house, wickets. This is the worksheet 4. Okay. Thank you for watching.